Aguilar, puntos para sa District 14. Now serving, wearing jersey number 3 for District 14. Receive by the Lopines. Ibabalik sa side ng District 6. Miscommunication, puntos para sa District 14. Score is 16-21. Receive by the Lopines. Ibabalik ni Aguilar. Wow! Umakong ibabalik sa District 14. The Lopines, a high side free ball. Nakuha ng discipline spot by Dapat ng Lopines. Puntos by the District 6. Score is 22-16. Now serving, jersey number 18, Ocampo. Ibabalik sa side ng District 6 free ball. A high side free ball, the Lopines. Aguilar. 108 puntos para sa District 6. Score is 23-16. What a serve! Isidro. Ibon. Aguilar ibabalik sa side. Outside. Puntos para sa District 14. Our score is 14, but jersey number 14. Substitution.
You brought your
Now
guitar.
serving, jersey number 14.
Later? Karon?
Later, magsayawit ba?
Sige, sige.
Receive by Isidro.
Naka-standard tuning ka ba yun?
Ibabalik sa District 6, Ugates. Aguilar ng Limon. Inside. Puntos para sa District 6. And District 6 is set point advantage.
Nice, and natin ito kayo.
Our score is 24-17.
Na. Kaya sa elementary. Bang.
It's an ace! Puntos para sa District 6. Score is 25-17.
Sa taas? Ayun naman.
It's an ace! Puntos para sa District 6. Score is 26-17. Now serving para Spots. Serving violation. Puntos para sa District 14. Referee decision. Service ace. Puntos para sa District 14. Score is 26-19. Miscommunication. Puntos para sa District 6. Score is 27-19. Now serving, Miss Aguilar. Inside, puntos para sa District 14. Score is 20-17. Substitution. Now serving for District 14. Babalik, free ball. Ugates. Santos Eric puntos para sa District 14. Score is 21-27. Still serving for District 14. Isidro. Palaspas for free ball. Ibabalik. Inside, puntos para sa District 14. Outside, Portland Palace at District 6. Score is 28 to 22. Portland Palace at District 6. Score is 29 to 22. Still serving Isidro. Service error for us, but after District 6. And District 6 is match point advantage. Three-point match. Parapinas. Agad ang Parapinas. Score is 30 to 24. And District 6 is match point advantage. Now serving the musical team. And